Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had a good day in the market. We're going to review November 5th price action Wednesday, 0-day options, and small account challenge. I'm doing this a day late. I missed it yesterday. Pardon me. And I believe I missed one day this week. So I was like a day behind and I missed yesterday. So I might be down one day this week, or I'm going to just have a double header. Yesterday we kind of just did this melt up, and then it was pretty good price action. Let's get into it. So still charting. I'm looking at Eric's on the 30-minute. He's Spy Day Trader on YouTube. I think I'll start tagging him in these videos. So here's his 30-minute chart. Yesterday, where do we open? I opened here and just kind of grinded up. Caught 5-day, came up to his resistance here on magenta, and then this was end of day, sold off a bit on resistance there. And today, pretty much just had a continuation of that selling for now, retesting 20-day. But that's today. That's for another video. That's maybe for Eric. So yeah, I started with this white as the bullish controlled selling. Then I got purple for the aggressive buying, basically what I want to be using to manage my risks. And then we got even a steeper one here. So I didn't take any of these. I didn't take this break. Too tight of a range. Yes, early candles. I just don't trust my charting like right away. I need some time for it to like warm up in my brain and me to think, okay, it's legitimate. So yeah. Anyways, yesterday the timing's off on here. It's kind of annoying. So let's see, 6, 5, 3. So it's 3 hours. And all right, yeah, at 10. So 10:10. I was into a call. See what I was doing. Okay, so I was looking just basically for this white to build liquidity, make a little shoulder and then inverse head. If that ever happened. I charted red up here for the selling. Is that right? Was that a call on 10:10? Yeah. 3 hours. 1, 12, 11, 10. Yeah, 10:10. Oh, maybe. Why am I getting a call here? I'm not sure. I wonder if my lines were a little different. I had this up here. It broke purple. This is not good to do the next day. I was in a call here for 70 cents. Got out of it at 10:14. Yeah, got out of it right here. Breaking that support. I think I was thinking, yeah, finding support on white, I guess. I don't know. That's strange. Well, that was a dumb trade. If that really was at 10:10, I think it must have been. Okay, yeah, then I actually flipped into puts then. Oh boy. Yeah. 86 cents. Puts at 1:15 on this one because it broke that controlled selling by the bulls. And it jumped into puts here. Man, I forgot that was a nasty little morning. Got right out of them here. Yeah, and then I was like, oh boy. Not a good start. And 10:24 is my next trade. One call on SPY. That was here. Okay, so yeah. Inverse head, crazy candle with volume. Actually on Weeble's chart, this retested VWAP. I don't know, the VWAPs are big discrepancy between Thinkorswim and Weeble yesterday. So could have maybe grabbed it on this or even on the VWAP, but not sure what that candle was. But anyways, I got it on the break of white here. I think that's what I said. Yeah, it's very annoying like this. Yeah, got one for $1.03. Got another one the next minute for $1. So I was scaling into a little bit. Got another one here, and Yeah, just on the retest. So inverse head, shoulder, controlled by white, and looking for the precision orange here. I remember that trade now. So happy I got 2 in there. That's my alert for today. Okay, yeah. Did what I thought I was gonna do. I kind of short ran it, but that's okay. We'll get to that review. So got 2 of those scaled in. Not a whole lot cheaper, but I just wanted a bigger position. And then sold, so 103, 1 and $1. Oh yeah, this one, that's right. Sold the first one for $1.25 at 127. On this candle, close to hive day. Basically hive day on the body. And then my second one, I'm like, I'm just gonna leave it as a runner. Given this retrace wasn't big enough, I don't know. I should have just taken profit on both though. I only had 2, so it just went break even and stopped out, which is kind of unfortunate. I didn't make that mistake just now today, thankfully. But see, today if I held it, I would have gotten all the way to VWAP and won another 100%. So it is tricky, especially with just 1 or 2 contracts. So yeah, second one stopped out break even. First one was 25%. Let's see. Yeah, something like that. Then I was into a put at 10, 11, 12, 12, 14. 49 cents to 45 cents. Oh, 14 to 12, 6. Oh yeah, yesterday was such a grind here. So I missed this move here. I put this gold in here, which I think was legitimate. Yeah, this kind of retested VWAP here also, but I guess if I just had been proactive on charting this, the fact that it was still in this gold, I could have taken on the break of white really, but it was still so grindy. I just kind of left it alone and quit paying attention to it. So I could have taken on break gold, break of white, and then just using this gold for the precision to manage my position. And then up here, yeah, it didn't really give me, yeah, but tiny little micro inverse head and shoulder here, but this would have been the entry right here for me, or here. Oh yeah, then kind of just grind it up. I remember that. Yeah. See, that's 12, 14, 12, 16 out of it. Okay, yeah, and then I had this at the inflection point right, I just had the direction wrong. I just didn't think this was enough structure to keep going up, and I had a clear stop here with gold. So I got into puts right here. I was rejecting gold. This was for a Zoomy trade or a retracement trade. And yeah, didn't want to do it. So into it here, out of it there. Actually 2 minutes later, 49 cents to 45. So another red trade. Have the green one, but I didn't take enough profit on it, unfortunately. Let's see, 12, 18. Yeah, I kind of overtraded here, middle of the day. 12, 18, 12, 19. I did it again. Oh, because that's right, I remember. Because it kind of kept rejecting. I'm like, okay, maybe I need to get back into this thing. So I got back into put here at 12, 18, and then 12, 19, I closed it. Yeah, I remember that now. Okay, and then 136, I was into a call. Yeah, this is a bit of a chase. Broke gold here, completed the cup somewhat. Broke my gold, and yeah, I had the precision on the purple, and I basically took it on that. So that was, yeah, that was 47 cents to 53. Closed it at 39. Closed it on this candle actually, which was basically hive day. So a little chase scalp. Yeah, I've been doing those more actually with some pretty good success, just because a tight stop with the steepest channel or algo. And then if I missed the break, I mean, of course a retrace would be nice. You don't often get them. taking on the break, you can. It's a little easier if it's already starting to go and you have the volume picking up, and then I can just put it in. So as long as my risks are managed and I have a profit target and I close it on that, I'm pretty satisfied, which I did. Is right here. So yeah, that was a green trade. So yeah, happy about that one. Sorry, it's so much slower because the times the next day, they flipped all the times 3 hours ahead. There's not a good way to just have this automatically charted. If you know of a program, let me know. I've tried all of them. There's just not, as far as I know. 5, 4, 318 to 332. Oh yeah, this one. 318 to 332. Yeah, I remember this one. It was above 5 day like this whole time. Where is it even? Made the inverse head and shoulder. It just never had continuation. It broke my gold, and I think that's where I did it. 18. Oh, it was a put. Let's do. It is so confusing. I'm flipping back and forth between military time. Oh, let's see. Oh, I got a put here. Oh, that thing just grinded. I might just skip this trade because I'm so confused on the times. The time changing and then the military time. Sorry. Let me see. Red. I was actually green yesterday. Let me just get to the trade that made me green. I had 3 more red trades. Yeah. So I had 3 more red trades and I just stopped. I was like, this is crazy. I did catch the move down here though, and look at on my white. Look at where it actually perfectly found support on it. Made a perfect little head and shoulders. This is a mini head and shoulders that I recognize, and I recognized when it was happening. So actually, yeah, I went in on this one. Not crazy, but big for today and big also for end of day. End of day is more risky, so I try and be more careful. But I got 679 puts. So they weren't like out of the money. They were pretty close, but they were only 15 cents. So the delta was still pretty low on them because it was 679 and a half. Let's see. I got 2 at what, 343. Yeah, right here on this candle. So on the break of that white, I got 2. Getting it here is just no man's land. Why would I get it there? And I mean, realistically, I would get it if it came all the way back up to the gold. But it didn't, so then I'm waiting for it to break white. 5 day was higher up at that point. We almost completed this inverse cup. But yeah. So grabbed it on this candle. Got 2 there for 15 cents. And then 2 minutes later, I got 2 more for 14 cents. Yeah, on this candle. I put a limit order. It filled, and I was like, oh boy. Because right here, we're pretty far away from gold. We're definitely far away from white if it wants to come up and retest. So, yeah, I was a little nervous about this one. Especially because of my size. My size was maybe too big for end of day. I had pretty good confidence. The way this head and shoulders, the way this right candle grabbed that shoulder liquidity it made me pretty confident. I just didn't want to try and manage it if it wanted to melt back up in here. Oh, now I'm missing a trade today. That's okay. So yeah, ended up with 4 of those things. 15 cents, 14 cents. Sold the first one at 347. So on this candle, was trying my best to hold them. I'm holding them till VWAP. I don't want to be greedy and miss out on profits. So I peppered the sales on the way down. So sold one here, and just a bigger red candle, and want to get some profit on the board. And okay, that's actually why I did it too. Because the bottom of this support, which could have been a completely inverse cup, so I thought it might bounce here, might not get VWAP, or it could bounce here and make a handle. So yeah, I sold one there, and I think I was just using the red for my stop, even though it was kind of out of that. Yeah, that was another thing. That's maybe that's maybe part of the reason why I sold that first one. 40. I was still a little early. So that was, let's see, I bought them 15 cents and then 14 cents, and then sold the first one for 22 cents, next one for 25 cents. Oh, on the same minute. Okay, so I must have sold the first one earlier on that candle, and then the candle got better, and I sold the next one. So 22 cents, 25 cents, and then the next minute, yes, I just started selling them too fast. Next minute, let's see, 26 cents, 648. Dang, Spy's making all the moves right now. That's okay. I need to review this yesterday. I have time. Yeah, right here sold the third one then. Just because it was kind of stalling out, and it had already broken this. It was kind of stalling out, and I just wanted to get out. And so I got myself down to basically one. And that one, I was like, I'm going to try and hold this till VWAP. I didn't know it was going to go to VWAP. We're definitely not below it, but yeah, I didn't know. And I didn't hold till VWAP. So then we have the 10-minute move to consider. So I actually sold this on 350 on the 10-minute candle. It came down. I sold it somewhere when it was like right here. It was starting to like kind of wick. And I was like, I should just get out of this thing. 10-minute sketch. So I sold the last one there. Missed the end of this move, but it was okay. Put me from red to green on the day. Here it is right here. There's the trades. Sorry, the times on them are off. Basically 650 was my last trade. That's actually 350. And then 110 I think is what? 10? 1, 12, 11, 10. Yeah. It's 110. Distracted by today's price action. Let's see. Oh, I can't look at yesterday. Yesterday was a small green day. I was down, and then in a day, I don't know, brought up $25 or something. Thing is that one contract from here went up another $100 just to, well, actually down here went up another 100, and Spy is now flushing. Oh boy. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Sub up, like up, comment down. Happy money sticks around. We will see you tomorrow, today. I don't know what day it is. Have a good one. Peace out.